When I first talked to my agent about possible teams, it went fast. But you know, when he brought up Zaragoza, you know, it was no question. You know, I love the management and the coaching when I was here. Pep was here, of course, and you know, I know he stepped up now, and you know, I know he would welcome me with open arms. The ACB is, I think, the best domestic league in Europe. As well as Champions League, another great league, and you know, they're doing great. You know, I love their style, I love, you know, their culture, and you know, I just hope to add to it. That's all. No, all the players actually, you know, I played against them, know of them, you know, as acquaintances, not on a personal level, but you know, watching them. You know, I love to watch a lot of basketball, and teams I played for before, I love to watch them and watch their highlights. And you know, not what sticked out to me with Zaragoza is not, you know, the shots they make, not, you know, the fast breaks they run, which is great. It was their team chemistry. You know, they were always encouraging each other, always giving each other high fives. They didn't care who scored the ball, and you know, that's what I really like about the team. You know, I love the fans. They welcome me with open arms. You know, I can't thank them enough. You know, I felt like I'd been here for 10 years before this, so you know, I say thank you to them. But you know, the team is doing great, as I said. You know, I just want to help add to it. You know, I said to my wife the other day, they don't need me. They're a great team right now, but you know, I just hope I could help the team. You know, if I could take the team to the next level with my play and my passion, then you know, that would be great. But you know, I just want to, you know, mold with the team, and you know, they have great momentum right now. I just want to help add to it. That's all. Oh yeah, of course. You know, I'm always ready to play. You know, for the next few days, we're gonna go over the plays, and you know, it's good because I've experienced this before. When I left Mega BMAX, you know, I went to Red Star, and you know, it was tough. You know, it was EuroLeague, and they had a mature team, but you know, I asked for the plays. You know, I'm going to read them every night. I'm going to go over 5-on-0 with, you know, some players, and you know, I'm just going to you know, just try to be as prepared as I can. You know, I know I'm not going to know everything. I know I'm going to make mistakes, but it's a great group of guys. They've welcomed me, and you know, I'm just going to do the best I can on Sunday. You know, if I don't play at all, if the coach decides that, if I play the whole game, which I don't expect to, but you know, as much minutes as I play, you know, I'm just going to keep supporting the team, and you know, just keep learning every day. You know, I know it's going to be a long process to make to fit in, but you know, I'm going to do everything I can.